So what's up guys, and next section what we will see is this taxes. Okay, so over here if you want to apply some text, then you can just apply the text over here. You just have to create taxes over here. Okay, so if you are charging the appointment fees, like I don't know how many taxes, there are different type of taxes when it comes to the uh, world nowadays. Like there is a GST, then there could be almost any kind of tax that you can apply over here. So you can apply a tax something like the entry fees. So if I'm just saying entry fees over here, then you can apply this tax. This is actually not required, but I'm showing telling you all how to do this. If your entry fees you are charging is 100 rupees or $100, then just select this. So this is the tax which you can apply on any of your service. Okay, and next are coupons. Okay, if you want to give a discount for your customers or the patients, then you can create coupons over here. Okay, so you can give any coupon, like you can create this coupon for patients. So you can create coupons for your regular patients or regular customers. Okay, so if some this if suppose there is one patient who is coming regularly to your clinic, then you can give them one coupon. So I will give the name to this coupon as a regular, then code will be a regular 100, and you can set the limit usage. Okay, so after using this coupon for 5 times it will get expired, and this code will not work. Okay, so you can just set limit how many number of times this code could be used. I will say a person could use this coupon for 10 times, and you can give this discount in terms of the percentage or in terms of money. Okay, so if you are just turning this bar towards the percentage, you can give the discount in terms of percent. Okay, so if I'm just selecting this as the 50%, and that person will get the 50% off on any service on which that person uses this particular code. If I'm just turning this in terms of deduce in terms of the currency, then whenever this person will or customer will be using this particular code, that person will get 200 $200 dollars of discount. Okay, and you can even set the date limit. Okay, so you can just say this coupon is valid and for this particular range of time. You can just set any range. Okay, so you can just say that this coupon is valid from 28 to 28 December to 31st of December. Okay, you can set a limit and you can provide any information. This is for your information. Okay, so this is not required, this is not mandatory. You can just save this, and now this is the first coupon which is created by me. And in the next tutorial I will show you all how to change the settings. I think this much is enough for the day. Thanks for watching.